Hey guys, welcome back. Today I thought I'd do a really quick video. My husband and I are about to go run around, but I was gonna show you the new makeup bag I got and what all fits, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, hit the like button for this video for more content like it, and hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content. Okay, I've got my coffee here. And I have my Trousse Toilette 23. And I also have my newest, latest, greatest. This was on my wish list, and so I went and picked it up yesterday at Outtakes. I have them linked down in the description box below always. I also have Fashion File listed, so let me just open this up and show you what it is. I think you guys will know. It is the Trousse Toilette 28. So going from this little baby to this monster. Ultimately, I decided I wanted to get this because I need more room than that. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna sell the 23 or not. It's just one of those things. So I went to Outtakes, I looked online, and they had it, and it is in like excellent condition. It's rated an A. If you can see that, it's rated A, so it is in like perfect condition. Kind of like, this is the biggest thing to me, is that the brass is oxidizing and kind of chipping away, but that's like easy to fix. There's like no corner wear whatsoever. I was just so excited to find this, and I paid just over $400 for it. And the beautiful thing is there were like 4 of them there, and this was in the best condition. It's like still nice and bright, monogram print. There's just no wear and tear. Everything looks so good on it. So as soon as I get this filled up, I will cut that tag off, but they have it nice and stuffed. Put that over to the side. And essentially it is just like one giant hole. Because it's a toiletry, it does have like, what do you call that? Like a stretchy band material over here that you could hold like shampoo bottles and different things like that, other makeup stuff. Here's their authenticity guaranteed card. The Trousse Toilette 28 mono, the item number, that's their item number. The, I think the LV number of it. Let me see if I can find it. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it because usually in these it's stamped into that light material. I'll have to keep looking, it's in there, but it is 72TH, I believe. So it comes with an authenticity guaranteed card, and usually it's like right there. Well, I'll keep looking. Anyway, you can see the interior is so clean. There's this pocket here, just in wonderful condition. So I thought I would show you, like, let me show you here, like everything that's stuffed in here. If I set everything correctly in here, I can get it to close and not be all warped, but this is just gonna be so much more room. So I'm gonna point the camera down, let you guys see me transfer stuff over, and then that way you can get a feel for truly what fits in here. Okay, so first things first is just this. I'm trying to use up some of my makeup, so I'm gonna put this over here, set that in on the side. This is my loose powder that I do as a setting powder, and I just add more to it when it's necessary. So you can see all of that fits down in there just nice. I usually I have a couple of Tarte blushes. This is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer. My IT Cosmetics CC cream. My Professional by Benefit primer. Murad, see the Murad Essential C Day Moisturizer. So I put that on underneath my foundation. I've got a little sponge in there. I have my Tarte Shape Tape. I love this stuff. It is the best. Goes in there. My L'Oreal Voluminous Curved Brush Mascara. Y'all know that's my absolute favorite. I will link this stuff down below. And then this is my color corrector by Japonesque. I don't use it as much anymore, but I do carry it because sometimes I do. This is my e.l.f. highlighter. Anastasia Blush Trio. It's in Peachy Love. Kat Von D light brown eyebrow color. I also have an eyebrow pencil that I carry. This is an eyeliner. And then this is a like hair remover one that I carry in here, just a stick. This is another hair remover. I promise I'm not that hairy. It's just, I've been gifted these, and sometimes I'll leave that one like in with my brushes. And then I have this eyeliner sharpener that I need to clean off and put in here, but for now I'll just put in here. And that is it. See how dirty that is and how dirty that gets? So let me point this back up and I'll show you everything that went in there. Okay, so you can see how dirty that was and how used. This is the 23 again, so you can see all that dust and dirt down the bottom. The best part about this is it's such a wipeable material. I can just get some water wipes and clean it up. It may take a few, but it can. This also has just this pocket here and then these three stretchy pieces here. This really was not large enough to carry like very much in it, like for shampoo bottles and stuff, but I guess if you were only carrying it for that, it would be fine. Now, let me see if I can find the code in here, because I've been able to find it in here before. Okay, so the code for these is like in here, in this pocket, inside. So this is a 23. The 28, yeah. So it's really, really light. You're not gonna be able to see it, but it's, let me see, inside here, but it's on the, like inside of the pocket over here. So that was really hard to find. It is like, I'll try to take a picture and insert it here so that you can see how like, it is just like almost engraved in there. It's not embossed. But that's it. That's what fits in the 28. And look at all that room I still have left to work with. So I'd even be able to, like, this will be a great everyday makeup bag, but also a great travel bag. And I'll also be able to, if I want to, put these inside of a bag and put them in here, be able to carry everything together. And that was something that I couldn't do in the 23. I can get you guys some measurements and I'll have put that across the screen like during this video so that you know the measurements of these two. And just for comparison's sake, you can see the size difference of that there. I don't think it's a huge difference on the ends, but it's an inch or two, so it's quite a difference. I'm so excited to have this in my collection. This has been on my wish list for a couple years, 2 or 3 years now. And so I'm just really excited to add this to my collection. And if you're looking for a great toiletry bag, one that's not the travel case that everybody has right now, I can't remember what it's called. But if you're looking for one that is like different than what everybody has, I love this one, Trousse Toilette 28 and Trousse Toilette 23. So toiletry bags 23 and 28. And this is so pretty. This is in such good condition. So I'm going to cut that tag off and it's going to be mine forever. They do have a 14-day money back guarantee as long as all original tags are still on the bag. So go check out keeks.com. I'll also link a few of these from Fashion File down below so that you can check them all out. And that way you get a choice of, you know, price and usage, the way they look and all that. And I will talk to you guys next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. And so I'm just really glad and I'm just And so I'm just really excited to add it to my wish list, or to my collection. What's it called? And then I have this, hey you guys, welcome back.